guys, just now I get down here. Today we will explore Amar Jawan Jyoti. We have Savai Singh Stadium also here. So here is from here we have get the entry. Okay, we will go to that area. Okay, this is how the main area is. But we'll go to that area. Meanwhile, we will explore what all things we have. Can you see that? I think. Can you see? This is like. I mean, this is how the main gate is having some data. Okay. I mean, if you're able to see it. Okay. It is, and the details about them is given over here. So now we will explore this area. See, this is how it is looking. They have made the decoration in this way, and the place about the campaign of courage. I mean, the kind of decoration they have made, and the explanation has been given over here. Okay, so you can explore. Okay, what all? I mean, if you want, you can explore in this way. Okay. That's how it is. So see the explanation, it shows that body armor. I mean, whatever the details they have, this is how the entry is. We will make the entry from here, and this is how the decoration they have made. Okay, and they've given the explanation about each and every. This is just like an entry gate for getting entered into Amar Jawan Jyoti. Just like, for the decoration purpose they have made it, and they have given the explanation at the bottom also. So this is called as the weapons of olden age. So these are how the weapons, these are the real weapons. Okay, and about this they have given the details also. In this way we'll keep walking and we'll keep seeing how does it actually looks like. Okay, this is how they have made it. If you can see, these are the different flags that they have, and they've given the flag in narration. Okay, and the details about that has been given. So I will quickly walk you through this, how big it is, and then we will see the main gate, how the main gate looks like. Okay, and the detail about this. So those who wants to, I mean, explore this place, they can come and explore. Just if you can't be able to explore, that is the reason I'm making a video for you. Let me know how do you like this video. We Rajasthan Royals and all that, we also have a stadium here. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, this is a way to go to the stadium actually. Okay, so I'm just showing you. So now, yeah, can you see how beautiful is this? This is just like for decoration they have made in this way. Okay, now we'll have a stadium, and this stadium name is, if you can see the name, it is called as Savai Mahan Singh Stadium. Okay, Savai Mahan Singh Stadium. So today you might be knowing, actually I have not booked the ticket for the IPL, so today we don't have any match over here. It is there some. Okay, so we have to go from another end. Can you see how beautiful is this? This area, this is what it is called as Amar Jawan Jyoti. We will go on that side, but first we will explore. This is how, we just came out from this gate. Okay, with the different decoration, we came out from this gate. Okay, this is what it is, the decoration of Amar Jawan Jyoti. Here we have the Savai Man Singh Stadium. Okay, and then here is an entry for the stadium. Today we don't have any match over here. Okay, any IPL. If there is an IPL, then it would be scheduled over here. Then we have this. There's another part, and inside that also, from after if you'll go inside, from there also you can exit. This is how it is. Okay, from there you can exit, and there are different. There is also some historic thing has been made over there. Okay, so we'll quickly go and explore, and then see from there we can exit. Okay, so here we have entered. So there was a decoration, then the stadium. Okay, then there was a stadium, then there is an again decoration for coming out. Okay, this is how the decoration is. Okay, and the details about that, the war hero of Rajasthan. Okay, so I will just quickly go you through about this. You can read the details. Okay, Rajasthan Army, I mean Indian Army. Okay, this is just for the decoration purpose they have made in this way. Okay, Indian Navy. The details about that has been given here. So there is an audio also for another section.
दिल से शुक्रगुजार था भारतीय जवानों का जिन्होंने देश की खातिर अपनी जिंदगी कुर्बान कर दी। हमारे जवानों ने एक बार फिर भी साबित कर दिया कि उनके देश का हर एक नागरिक महफूज है और भारतीय सेना के हौसलों के आगे
People come from all the places to visit this place. Okay, people visit here to see all these things. Okay, so it is showing about paramilitary force. This is also here also we have an audio something, I mean video related to that. So this is the last post. Now we'll go inside the main. We will go inside that main gate. Let's go inside the another gate now. This is the another side of what I can say is this is another side of Amar Jawan Jyoti. Okay, and there we have the Vidhan Sabha. You can see there is a Vidhan Sabha. Now we'll go to the main gate of Amar Jawan Jyoti. Let's see if my video is still working till that, because my mobile doesn't have much space, but still I'm making this video for you guys. Okay, just to show you how exactly it looks like. Okay, so now we will enter to that area and then we'll see how exactly it looks like. Okay, so now we are here. We'll go on the front side. They do have a fountain which is closed right now. The people come here, they will chill, they will sit here. It is just in front of the stadium, just a decoration. Okay, in the night, I have purposely came in the night just to show you, because in the night it comes in the night it looks very beautiful. Okay, the people do the photo sessions over here, and then we do have, you know, the security to take care of this area. As you can see, this is how, see, the people are sitting over there also, and that is the main road. And now we are here. See how beautiful is this. I just want to cover the entire area. Okay, can you see how beautiful is this? Oh wow, it's awesome, yaar. Actually it looks very good in the night. Okay, in the morning it doesn't look that great. Okay, but in the night it looks awesome. So let me know, guys. So that's what the Amar Jawan Jyoti is. That's how it look like. Let me know in the comment below how do you find it. It is in Jaipur, in Rajasthan. In Jaipur, you can come here and visit here. And if you can visit here if you want to book the IPL ticket in that IPL stadium. Okay, let me know in the comment below how do you like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.